Hello everyone.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 87 में बेटा कहा है The partners of the firm distributed the profit for the year ending 1,20,000 in the ratio 2:1. Means 1,20,000 को वो already distribute कर चुके हैं 2:1 में, जबकि डीड में मेंशन है, डीड में कहा गया है ए और बी को सैलरी मिलेगी 1500 पर क्वार्टर। क्वार्टर बोला है तो 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लें, 6000 ईच। ठीक है, 1500 पर क्वार्टर बोला है, इसीलिए क्वार्टर मतलब साल में 4 बार क्वार्टर आते हैं, इसलिए मैंने 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। वी विल गेट 6000 ईयरली। मीन्स वी आर पेइंग A and B a salary of rupees 6000 in a year. Then C is getting a commission. Then they have given C is getting commission of rupees 6000 only. Then next they are saying A and C had guaranteed minimum profit to B. Means B got a guarantee that he will get at least 48,000. Okay. And fourth condition, ratio of profit is given 4:3:2. This is the question. Once again listen the question carefully, understand the question carefully, then I am explaining the sum. In this question they are given, there were 3 partners A, B, C, and 3 partners had, and firm is having a profit of 1,20,000. So this 1,20,000 they had distributed already in the ratio 2:1 without using these things what is mentioned in the deed. So neither they have given salary, neither they have given commission, neither they have given guarantee to be, and neither they had used the ratio 4:3:2. So these all things they had omitted. So tell me, when we are making analysis table, so which thing will be going which side? Tell me beta. These deeds thing will be going debit or credit? Deed में जो mention है, जो वो देना भूल गए हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें क्रेडिट में जाएंगी, और प्रॉफिट जो वो ऑलरेडी, हाँ, जो प्रॉफिट ऑलरेडी वो 2:1 में बांट चुके हैं, वो हमारा कहाँ जाएगा? डेबिट में जाएगा। ठीक है, सो अब हम इसी को कर रहे हैं, बट गारंटी है, तो गारंटी बेयर करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन बनाना पड़ेगा। तो पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन जब हम बनाएंगे बेटा, so you are knowing, first we are giving net profit. Net profit is given 1,20,000. Then in question they have given salary. So salary which direction we are writing? Debit side. तो हमने लिखा सैलरी, ए को और बी को दोनों को 6,000 सैलरी दी जा रही है। ऑल टुगेदर वी आर पेइंग देम 12,000. कमीशन दे आर गिविंग टू सी रुपीज 6,000 ओनली, और कुछ तो बोला नहीं है, तो बस अब हम क्या निकालेंगे? प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू partners capital. Please calculate and tell me how much profit is coming. $120 both the side will we have to make. So 120 minus 18,000, it will be 1,02,000. This much is clear or not? So now after that what to do? This profit will be distributed to A, B, C. Which ratio? जो आपका डीड में मेंशन है, तो डीड में क्या रेशो मेंशन है बताओ? 2:1 की 4:3:2? 4:3:2. तो 4:3:2 में हम इसको भेजेंगे, डिवाइड करिए। सो 432 में अगर हम बांटें तो ये कितना आ जा रहा है आपका, इट इज कमिंग इन डेसिमल ओनली ना। It is coming 66622, then and then देखो इतना आ रहा है, जिसको हम राउंड ऑफ कर ले रहे हैं, इसको मैं 40,000 बना रही हूँ क्योंकि राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तब हमारा वो आएगा। और अभी भी डिफरेंस आ रहा है, ज़्यादा आ रहा है। फर्स्ट वन कैलकुलेशन करी, फर्स्ट वन इज कमिंग रॉन्ग। यही आ रहा है
45,333।
हाँ, वो राउंड ऑफ कर लो, अप्रॉक्स कर लो तो 33 हो जाएगा और इसको 7 बनाना पड़ेगा। यही आ रहा है सबका। First see after dividing this only coming or something other is coming.
In B there is 34,000.
34,000 is coming. Okay. ओके, अब इतना तो सबको क्लियर है, इतने में किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है कोई प्रॉब्लम? इतने में सबको क्लियर है ना? आफ्टर दैट अब हमें गारंटी कल जो समझी गारंटी करनी पड़ेगी। बी को गारंटी दी है 48, तो बी के सामने लिखो 48,000। कितने की डेफिशिएंसी है? डेफिशिएंसी कितने की आ गई?
14,000।
और कुछ नहीं बोला तो कौन बेयर करेगा? ए और सी। किस रेशो में? देखो 4:3:2 रेशो है, जिसमें से बी को हटा दें तो क्या रेशो बचा?
4:2।
तो 4:2 में गारंटी बेयर करेंगे। और अगर इसको छोटा बना लो तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? 2:1 में गारंटी बेयर होगी। तो कैलकुलेट करो 14,000 को 2:1, तो ये कितना आ जा रहा है? ये आ जाएगा 9,333 और 4,667। तो ए के में से 9,333 माइनस करो, सी के में से 4,667 माइनस करो और इसके में प्लस कर दीजिए। तो ये अब आपका कितना बचा? 36,000 और ये कितना बचा? 18,000। तो ये गारंटी का कंसेप्ट सबको समझ में आ गया आपकी? किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन है गारंटी में?
No, miss.
All of you, it is clear? Now copy it fast, then I am making analysis table to pass journal entry. Copy work over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then make now analysis table. So now we are continuing. After this half portion I am rubbing so that it will be clear to you, because from here I had to explain you. So now we are making analysis table. Under analysis table, A, B, C, firm, debit and credit. Debit, what they have done? They have distributed 1,20,000 in 221. This ratio only they have distributed now. So distribute 1,20,000 in 221. So it will be coming 24,000, 48 and 48. Wherever having doubts, speak up clearly. Nothing I am saying to anyone. So now credit, what we are going to write the things they had omitted. So what the things they had omitted? First thing they have omitted salary. So first thing we are writing salary. Salary they are giving only to A and B. So we have mentioned that. Second thing they have omitted commission. Commission they are giving to C. So only in the C column we are writing. Third thing profit. So profit, which profit you are going to take? After guarantee. This profit what you have calculated after guarantee, that profit will be taken when this is only the changes. When guarantee with past adjustment is coming and this question is coming at least for 4 marks or 6 marks. So you have to make even PNL and you have to make even analysis table. So after making PNL, this adjusted profit will be going to come here. So it is coming 36,000, 48,000 and 18,000. Now you sum total and compare. So it is 42,000 credit total. It is coming 54,000 and here it is coming 24,000. Now how to calculate debit and credit value? Knowing debit it is 48, credit it is 42. We have to subtract it. It is coming 6,000. What we will be going to write, debit or credit? Debit, because debit is bigger. Then second, how much value is coming? 48 minus 54?
6,000.
6,000. And it will be credit because credit is bigger.
Credit.
And here nil effect. So now tell me what will be your journal entry? A and B to C, how beta? Yes beta, C is getting nothing, due to that no journal entry for C. A is debit, so we will write A capital account debit to B capital account. And whatever amount came, that we will be going to write. It's clear now? Done. It's clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this copied work also over?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So now next question number 88. We are starting. Yesterday only we have done this variety. Yesterday I had explained you that guarantee is of two types, where one partner is admitted, they are giving guarantee to a new partner, and secondly old partners only, one partner is getting guarantee. So out of old partners, if any one partner is getting guarantee, that work also we have done, and even this work also, one sum by my own I have given you. So same question is here, only minor changes is there. See now question I have mentioned here, so listen it. Vikas and Vivek were two partners and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Vandana admitted as a new partner for 1/8 share, and she got a guarantee that she will get 1,50,000 at least in a year, and the net profit of the firm is given 9 lakh. And they mention if any deficiency is there, so that deficiency is borne by Vikas and Vivek in the ratio 2:3. Now how many students can do this sum?
Ma'am, I also can.
Okay. So whoever is able to do, you can start without seeing on the board, and to others I am explaining. After that you check whether your sum is correct or not, so that your confidence power will be going to increase. Okay. So without seeing here, you start doing it, and to others I am explaining, listen it carefully. So first thing we are knowing, for the distribution of profit we have to make P&L appropriation. So we are making P&L appropriation account here. Net profit is given as 9 lakh. So 9 lakh profit we have given, mentioned. Now in question, they had not mentioned about salary, commission, interest on capital. That means nothing we have to do. So nothing we have to given. So only balance the account. So when we are balancing, here it is coming 9 lakh. That means this direction also it will be going to come 9 lakh only. So this 9 lakh, by which name we are going to write? We are balancing by the name profit transfer to partners capital. 9 lakh we have done. This much all are knowing. Anshika, Tanisha, this much you are knowing now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next step what we are doing? We are distributing this profit to the partners. To Vikas, to Vivek, and to Vandana. To everyone we have to distribute. So here they have not given us the ratio of all three partners. So yesterday I have explained you, when new partner is admitted, so first work to give to the new partner because he is a guest in a firm. So here Vandana admitted for 1/8 share. So first work what we have to do, out of profit first we are paying to Vandana. So it is coming how much? $112500. This much we have paid to Vandana. Now remaining profit, how we are going to calculate? Total profit is 9 lakh. Out of 9 lakh, 1,12,500 we have given to Vandana. So now it is having 7,87,500. So this you distribute to Vikas and Vivek in their ratio. Tell me this much is clear or not, and distribute, and you only tell me the value how much is going to come for Vikas and how much is going to come for Vivek. RG distributed and tell me how much value is coming. Anyone tell me? One lakh 57,500.
1,07,000 years.
Okay, and for Vivek?
Ma'am, we have to distribute in 3 ratio 2.
हाँ वही, this is wrong. 472500. And for Vivek, how much is coming? 315,000. This much is clear to everyone?
Yes, miss.
No confusion till now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the big profit is 31400.
314 तो नहीं होगा बेटा, 5 ही होगा, नहीं तो टोटल करो 9 लाख नहीं आएगा. ठीक है ना?
Miss, it is correct.
314 नहीं होगा. देखो बेटा 5 और 25 राउंड ऑफ 10,000 हो जाएगा. अगर वहाँ 4 होगा तो आखिरी में 9 बच जाएगा, इसलिए यू कैलकुलेटेड प्रॉपरली. इट विल बी 315 ओनली.
Yes, miss, 3150.
ओके बेटा.
315.
हाँ, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग, अदरवाइज टोटलिंग इज नॉट करेक्ट. अब इसके बाद गारंटी किसको मिली है? वंदना को. तो वंदना के सामने लिख दो उसको गारंटी कितने की मिली है? 1,50,000 की. अब दोनों को माइनस करके डेफिशिएंसी निकालिए. तो 1,50,000 माइनस 112500 कितने की डेफिशिएंसी आ जाएगी? 37.
37,500.
37,500 आ रही है. अब इस 37,500 कौन बेयर कर रहा है? विकास और विवेक. किस रेशो में? 2:3 में. तो बांटिए 2:3 में. अब विकास में से 15,000 माइनस करो, इसके में से 22,500 माइनस करो, और इसके में 15 प्लस करो और 22,500 प्लस करो. सुनो, बुक का क्वेश्चन गलत आ रहा है. बुक के क्वेश्चन में 4,50,000 है, तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा चेंज करो. आप 3:2 में बेयर करवाओ तो हमारा बुक का आंसर सही आएगा. डेफिशिएंसी कितने में बेयर होगी? 3:2 में. तो ये बेयर करेगा 22,500 और ये बेयर करेगा 15,000. Then your book answer will be coming correct. In question, mistake is there. Now tell me, who is saying what? Clear this or not now? It's clear?
Yes, miss. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now last question for today's and chapter also I am going to end here. Okay? Because guarantee now only 3 sums are left. So last question नहीं समझाने ही पड़ेंगे, कल का दिन और लगेगा. So now 89 question I am starting. After that 2 questions will be left. So that tomorrow we are going to do. And your chapter over. And day after tomorrow onwards I am going to start new chapter. Okay? This copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the question, next question till that. And mark it, very important question, next question. That question came even in board. See now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
have you sent these questions in group?
Acha, pick is not there, beta.
Ma'am, I haven't seen. Have you sent or not?
Yesterday I have sent beta when I had started guarantee. Okay. So question number 89. Ankur, Bhavna and Disha. Now beta, if in market these books are not available, you can ask from your seniors because their result is already over now. So you can ask from them, you can take in half rate from them. Ankur, Bhavna and Disha are partners and their capital is 14 lakh, 6 lakh and 4 lakh. They shared profit in the ratio 7:3:2. Partners decided to give interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum and salary to Bhavna 15,000, commission to Disha 3,000 per month. So into 12 that means 36,000 in a year. This much question is very simple. Second para I am reading afterwards, excluding and including what is mentioned. And after that they have given us net profit in second para, that is 9,50,000. So simple, first you do the sum as you are doing. Simply make P&L appropriation as we have learned till now. Second para we are doing afterwards. So net profit is given 9,50,000. First we have
Salary is full year.
to be Bhavna. And that is also mentioned per month, so I have multiplied by 2. 50,000 year given. Commission they have given to Disha per month. So first we have calculated interest on capital for Ankur, for Bhavna and for Disha. It is given as 6%. So 6% you calculate. 84,000, 36,000, 24,000. Calculate, this is only coming.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is coming 1,44,000. After that they have given salary. Salary they have given to Bhavna. It is mentioned 50,000. Then they have given commission. Commission they have given to Disha. 3,000 per month. So I have multiplied by 12. It is coming 36,000. Now nothing is mentioned in question. So calculate profit transfer to partners capital. So how much balance is coming? Total it. This side also we have to make it 950. 950 minus all these things, how much is coming? $680. देखो यही बच रहा है. $720 बचा बैलेंस. ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
अब आप इसको अंकुर, भावना और दिशा को बांट दीजिए उनके रेशो में 7:3 में. ये भी हमने बांट दिया. गलत बांटा है.
मैम ए का 420,000 जाएगा.
ए का कितना आ रहा है बेटा?
4,20,000.
28,000. सबके गलत है. फिर मैंने सबके गलत, मैंने 10 से कर दिया. 12 है. 12 42. 4,20,000 आएगा ये आएगा 1,80 और ये आएगा 1,20. ठीक है. इतना सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
आप कॉन्सेप्ट पे आओ. सेकंड पैरा रीड कर रही हूँ, उसका मीनिंग समझ लेना क्या है. सेकंड पैरा में दिया है भावना शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट एक्सक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज गारंटीड नॉट लेस देन 1,70,000. अगर एक्सक्लूडिंग बोला है तो हमें उस चीज़ को ध्यान भी नहीं देना, तो हम एक्सक्लूडिंग वाली चीज़ को इग्नोर कर देंगे. मतलब कहा है भावना को कम से कम 1,70,000 मिलने चाहिए, जबकि भावना को कितने मिल रहे हैं? 180. ज़्यादा ही मिल रहे हैं. तो जब गारंटी से ज़्यादा मिलता है तो हमें कुछ ध्यान नहीं देना. ख़त्म ये सेंटेंस का यूज़. आया इतना समझ में? अगर एक्सक्लूडिंग बोलते हैं तो एक्सक्लूडिंग को इग्नोर कर दिया जाता है. तो कहा है भावना को, एक्सक्लूड वाले सेंटेंस को हमने इग्नोर कर दिया. भावना को गारंटी मिली है 1,70,000 की, जबकि भावना को मिल कितना रहा है? 1,80,000. मोर देन गारंटी, सो नथिंग वी हैव टू डू. देन आगे कहा है दिशा शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट इंक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल बट एक्सक्लूडिंग कमीशन. तो फिर एक्सक्लूडिंग कमीशन को इग्नोर कर देंगे, बस इंक्लूडिंग की ओर ध्यान देंगे. तो दिशा को कहा है कि जितना भी प्रॉफिट है, प्रॉफिट इंक्लूडिंग आईओसी, तो आईओसी दिशा की कितनी है 2,24,000, इन दोनों को प्लस करो तो उसको मिलना चाहिए 1.5 लाख रुपए, जबकि उसको मिल कितना रहा है 1,44,000। तो कितने की डेफिशिएंसी आ गई? डेफिशिएंसी कितने? यस बेटा
प्लीज रिपीट।
सुनो, सबसे पहले भावना वाला सेंटेंस क्लियर है?
यस मैम।
दिशा को कहा है दिशा विल गेट इंक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एक्सक्लूडिंग कमीशन ₹1,50,000। मतलब दिशा को गारंटी दी है 1.5 लाख रुपए मिलेंगे, मगर आईओसी मिलाकर, तो देखो प्रॉफिट में हमने उसको 1,20,000 बांटा, आईओसी इंक्लूड करने को कहा है तो हमने आईओसी इंक्लूड करा, तो टोटल 1,44,000 बन जा रहा है, जबकि उसको गारंटी कितने की दी है 1,50,000 की। तो डेफिशिएंसी कितने की हो गई 6,000 की।
6,000।
और वो जो डेफिशिएंसी है वो अंकुर बेयर कर रहा है, तो अंकुर में से डेफिशिएंसी माइनस कर देंगे और दिशा के में डेफिशिएंसी प्लस कर देंगे। हमारा क्वेश्चन कवर कंप्लीटेड नाउ। नाउ टेल मी इट इज क्लियर?
यस मैम।
Okay now? So today you have to try all these things.
Keep studying.